Hello, my name is Hamid. Today I have this IKEA oven. This unit was also made by Whirlpool, KitchenAid, Amana, Genair, Maytag. And I will show you how to take the door off and clean the glass. As you can see, the glass is not very clean. We are going to open it apart and show you how to do this cleanup. The first thing we are going to do is we will use one of these towels here to put it on the top of the glass to protect the glass from getting scratches and damages, and then after that we will open the door and start doing the cleanup. The glass, the way it looks, we usually get these units as a scrap and then we fix it and sell it. We're going to open the door, and then see on these sides, on the side of the door you see these little small pieces of metal, and on both sides you open it and attach it there, and then open the door more and then lift it up from there. The door comes out. Once you remove the door, you can put it on top here. The way the door is sitting here, we're gonna add a 2x4 wood underneath just to lift it up for us. The wood is underneath here, and now we're gonna open 4 screws from the bottom. And then we got 2 screws here. We're gonna put tape on the side, on both sides here, because this plastic piece will give us a hard time when we are reinstalling it back in. You see this side? We're gonna add the tape like this to cover the plastic piece in the door panel. This holds it in place. It doesn't move around. And we're gonna add the same tape on this side. Any kind of tape is okay, but I prefer masking tape. Once you added your tape and the screws are off from the bottom, you will take the 2 screws from the handle area out. It comes off. It's also holding the handle in place. After the screws are done, you took the 4 bottom screws out the front. Now you can lift up the whole glass area. You separate it together from each other. You lift it up from both sides. And then on this one, the handle needs to come off. So what you can do is you have to wiggle it back and forth. Wiggle it back and forth, and you have to pull it out. It comes out, and then you can put it somewhere. The way you wanna clean the glasses, I don't think you need a scraper, but you need a towel and a spray. If you have so much stuff built up in here, you can use a scraper, but otherwise I would just use spray, just a regular soap spray, Windex, anything would work. And then after that, you can wipe it with paper towel. If you have a lot of build up here, you can always vacuum it, but if you don't have a lot of stuff, you just spray it and wipe it, and that should take care of the problem. I always recommend cleaning the back side first, the back of this glass, because that way you know if there is more debris and garbage build up here. Because right now we cleaned it and we don't see if this side is clean or not. In order to clean it properly, you really have to flip the glass. This also came off, but it's okay because it was broken from the start. Lift up the glass and flip it. Lift it up. This side's supposed to be cleaned first, but we did it a little bit opposite way. It's okay. We're gonna focus on the glass part more compared to these stainless steel part, because this is stainless steel part. You can also clean it later on if you want, but your focus is on glass. Mr. Majid is apprentice and he's doing very good so far. Once you clean your glass, everything seems okay. You can put this glass on the side somewhere. We're gonna put this on top of the fridge to have extra space for the bottom glass for the inside. That's gonna stay there and maybe dry out by the time we work on this one. We're gonna clean the top first. In order to clean the top, the first thing we're gonna do is we will use a scraper. You see these scrapers, you can buy it from dollar store, from Canadian Tire, from Home Depot, Lowe's, anywhere you want, you can get it from there. And of course we have different ones, these ones, and we're gonna start cleaning it. The way you're gonna clean it, do not go sharp, go in 90-degree angle, like maybe 45-degree angle, and go back and forth. See the way it looks clean now? I prefer using this one because with this one you have a good grip compared to the one that has a handle, and you can add more force on this. See the place I cleaned compared to clean up, his area is looking okay, but my area is looking more cleaner and sharp, sparkly. See the difference using this blade versus the blade with the handle. You always start from one side or corner and then go all the way to the back. If you're using a strong chemical to do the cleanup, then you need to wear gloves, but otherwise it's up to you if you want to wear gloves or not. I only wear gloves if I'm using a strong chemical. For example, if I'm using an oven cleaner, Easy Off, that's very strong. Of course I want to wear gloves. Otherwise, you don't have to wear gloves and you can wash your hands after. As you can see, the glass looks spotless at this moment, looks very clean from this side. The rest of the oven door, as you can see all of these debris, I recommend using Easy Off. You can use Easy Off on this and let it sit for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wear gloves and mask, come back, wipe it, it's gonna look brand new panel. Now we're gonna flip it on its back. This side looks also clean. I do not see any droplets here. I do not see any streaks or any kind of buildup from inside, because we have two glasses. One is on this side, one is on the other side. In case if we have any drops, what we can do is we can open this panel and then that way we can also clean it. But I don't think at this moment we need to clean that. Flip it again, please. If you decided to clean the inside glass, what you can do is you have to take this screw off, that screw off, and sometimes you have to take the hinge screws off, sometimes you don't have to. But these two screws are holding the inside stainless steel panel in place, and then it falls down and you can open it. Of course, we got one screw here, one here, and then that way you can do a good cleanup. At this moment, it seems okay. Again, just to mention that cleaning all of this, you need oven cleaner spray, Easy Off, and that will take care of the problem. So now we will put the front panel back in here and see how it goes. So we will flip it one more. You see these brackets, the way these brackets are going is that you want to stick this right here, get inserted, it gets pushed in, and the way it looks from this side, and then from this side you want to line up the screws. That's good. Once you insert it there, line up your screws. See the way it sits like that. It kind of sits like this, And then right here, because it's broken a little bit, yeah, it seems okay. If these pieces are breaking from you because this unit is really old, of course those plastic pieces are broken, what you can do is your model and serial number is located right here. You can call part suppliers and order those parts. To make your job easier, what you can do is put this closer to the edge, put your handle in place, and the way you're going to put your handle in, let me see it, there is an opening here, right there. That opening gets inserted underneath right here on the front panel. You have to push it, maybe hit it with something to make a good connection here. Is it okay or?
Yeah.
Okay, seems okay, that's fine. And now you can add your screw from underneath. Bring it closer to the edge. Screw back in. Okay, good. And here's the time that he's gonna put the door back in. Okay, so the way you're going to put the نه سرچپه گرفتی. It's okay. The way you're going to put this back in is you want to insert the hinges inside, push it all the way in, and then bring the door down. Bring the door down. This door, push it down. Yeah, close the tabs on it. This tab, this side is not sitting properly. Okay, close it now. See, the door seems okay now. The door stays in this position. When you close it, that means the door hinges are not installed correctly. So you want to make sure it sits flat, and then that's how you know it's okay. You can close your door. Awesome. Okay, thank you so much for watching our videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, and share it with others. Thank you.